have forgotten that. I have done something else and I have done other code. Mm.
Sure, sure. I will explain.
Mm.
Not an issue.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So today we are going to see the asynchronous behavior of JavaScript. So guys, have you read that? Yes, Anshul.
Like we use type like wait kind of stuff, right? Asynchronous means when we use wait and
Wait,
all.
wait.
Can you see this notepad? Hello, guys.
Yes, yes, we can see.
Yeah. So, like in the if you take the example of Selenium, okay. So Selenium is synchronous by nature. So synchronous is what like if I'm having five steps. First step is my code, okay. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay. So what happens in Selenium in synchronous? Like suppose if I want to open any web page, okay. For example, Google.com. Okay. So first it opened this website under Selenium. Okay. So in a synchronous behavior, like it is done step by step. First step, second step, third, fourth, fifth, like this. Got it? And what happens, like whatever be the like languages we are using in Node.js, okay, like Cypress or JavaScript, they all are asynchronous in nature. Okay, so what is asynchronous like, which we are dealing in Cypress? Like, suppose I'm having five steps. Okay, okay. So my first step is like, for example, to open the Google page. Okay, so what happened? Like in this Cypress, this one is Cypress. I'm talking about the Cypress. Like it's not wait for the Google page. Like there's no sequence of steps. Randomly it works. You know, but when we are running our Cypress code, we can see that our code is running in execution. Correct? Why we are seeing like that? Because like in internally the Cypress guys work for them. They having that promises, they use that one in Cypress, which we cannot see. We can say it's a hidden one. Okay, it is a wrapper of the such thing. But my point? Yes, Radhilakshmi, any want to ask?
Uh, I didn't understand Shakil. That's all. Mm.
See, simple, like when we are
Mm.
using Selenium, okay,
Okay.
synchronous
Okay.
behavior is what, like it execute in a sequence. First step, then second step, then third step, then fourth, then fifth.
Okay.
Okay, so the step is like stepwise, but in
Okay.
asynchronous, the step
Oh,
is not in sync.
okay. Any order it may go. Okay.
It will involve on any order. Okay, it's
Okay. Okay.
behavior. But in case of like Cypress, we are seeing here, we are seeing
Mm-hmm.
that whenever we are running our code, it
Mm-hmm.
run in a sequence manner. Why it happens, because internally the Cypress guys, okay, they use promises, okay, and they handle it, which we cannot see it.
Okay.
Got my point? Like when you see the Cypress, we can see that it's running synchronous like Selenium. But
Mm-hmm.
if you note it down, that Cypress is not synchronous one; it is async one. Okay, so it's internally the Cypress guys manage that such things. Okay, got my point?
Okay, yeah, got it.
Yes, sir. So I'll give more examples so it get clear you know. For example, Anshul,
Yeah,
got it? You got it? Asynchronous
yeah,
system is
yeah. I know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know.
so what do you know about asynchronous and synchronous like
So basically, as the name suggests, synchronous means something which goes in a flow. Asynchronous means which is not in a proper sequence. To make that in a sequence, Cypress guys they use resolve this promise like we use then and stuff.
exactly,
So
exactly,
that's how we say Cypress to after doing this, then do this like that. So it goes
exactly,
in a
exactly.
synchronous.
Correct. If you use that tool, protector, also they use the promises.
Yeah.
So promises, when any steps, it returns the promises. So we have three states or state of behavior in promises. First one is resolved. Second one is rejected. Third one is pending. Resolve means what? Like if our code is executed, okay, it means that the promise is resolved. If our code having some error, so it rejected. And third one is like if it is waiting for the locator to for to get it, so it's a pending state. So promises having these three state resolved, rejected, and pending. So basically synchronous like Selenium uses having the synchronous behavior and Cypress having the asynchronous behavior because it's run on JavaScript based. Okay, so let me give you an example for you guys. See, this one we had done in the last week, last to last week, I think so, in the Amazon website. Okay, so see, we have to open our website Amazon. Okay, so right now I'm using here promises like then. So once it open inside this, then we are using callback function, and then we are using this class to click. So this class is under then function, okay, and we are just clicking here after this visit. It means that once the website is open, we are asking or we are commanding that we want to click this class, okay. Again we are writing then here. So to handle the promises we use then only, then. So in each step we have to write then. So what it shows like after visit, then do this, after this, then do this. Okay.
So, Shakil, in the typical programming world, when you are automating too many test cases, so can't be over repetitive this then word. Uh, do we have any
Exactly.
solution for this one?
Yeah, yeah, we have the solution. That is the reason the
Mm-hmm.
Cypress guys telling us don't write then,
Mm-hmm.
because internally they are like working on these promises and they
Mm-hmm.
handling internally.
Internally,
Because
okay.
that when you see this then it not look
Mm-hmm.
good. It's the
Exactly.
our code is not readable. Yeah, that is the reason then is there, but we cannot see it.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So like we have run total around 10 to 5 to 6 program we have run till now, but we haven't used then, correct?
Right, right.
And our Cypress code running synchronously. But even though the behavior of Cypress is async, so why this? Because the Cypress guys they do that in the backend.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So to explain what is promises
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
what is asynchronous, that is the reason I'm writing then here.
Okay, okay.
There is no need to write then always.
Got it.
Got my point?
Mhm. So that's what in the initial of the discussion you told that under the wrapper this code will be automatically taken care by the Cypress team and the
Yeah, yeah, it's
branches and
taken
all.
care by the Cypress team. Correct.
Mhm.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Yeah. So like if you like I'm asynchronous.js, we have the file name, so just run that file name. See, I got the result here. I have changed the language of this Amazon touch it. Okay. And suppose if I don't, if I want the same result without then, okay. So just remove that then here. It works.
Mhm.
See, got it? Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So it means that there is no need to write then always. Okay. But internally
Mhm.
they have to write then to handle the promises because of this asynchronous behavior of Cypress.
Shakil, is the number of API call which is going back of that this instruction is less when we use then, I think.
Yeah, exactly,
The
exactly.
isn't it? Yeah.
Correct, correct, yeah,
Yeah. That's how what I observe while the both is running. I see
exactly.
more API call without then.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. है ना?
See, notice you guys, correct. The left hand side. If I'm using then and not, correct.
Even they both work, but the
Both work.
somehow the performance is gonna be improved with the then,
Then
but
exactly, exactly. Yeah, correct. Magesh, Rajulashmi,
Yes, Shakil.
you got it?
Yeah,
Yes, I
yeah,
got.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So like this changing the language of this Amazon.in we have done like last week, correct, Bharat? This is
Yeah,
new
yeah.
for you how to change the language. And it's not a tough task. It's not a tricky, you can say.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's really easy to change the language. Just find out this class.
Element.
Okay. Yeah. So like I want to ask to you guys like one assignment, not assignment, but just want to ask. Suppose I'm having if I open Flipkart website, okay, so I got some text like Flipkart or something else, okay. So I want to grab that text Flipkart, okay. This Flipkart, this text. Okay, and I have to assign this text to a variable. For example, element. This is my text. Okay, or we can say just I'm just writing a text. Okay, and whatever be the element containing this text, I want to display that one using console.log, or you can say cy.log element. Is it possible for me? I'm just grabbing the text flip card and I'm assigning this flip card to a variable element and I'm just printing this element here. So should I get the output flip card? Hello?
As of my knowledge, it should print, like it should give out.
It should print.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you say, Anshul?
Not sure because not clear that second line for me. The text flip card.
Which one?
Can you open the website and show which text you are saying?
Any
Yeah.
text, any text. Like logo, anything like any text. Like for example, if I
Okay.
have 1 second, I have one more.
Second line.
Okay, so I'm having this
Hmm.
Flipkart on the Flipkart website. I'm having one logo you can see.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
one,
yeah.
this one Explore Plus.
Huh.
So I want to grab this text
Okay.
and I want to print it in my test runner. Will it
In your
possible?
test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it possible by assigning into the variable, const variable, and that
Huh.
const we are using cy.log? Possible? Can you share me your screen so I'll check it out like what idea you can put in it?
Okay, let me try. Didn't think much of now, but yeah, let me try. Okay. So basically,
Well,
we
I'll
want to
I'll stop sharing. Okay.
print this. Okay.
This is my.
Oh, sorry.
Means we
And
don't use any assertions, Shakil.
I already stopped sharing. Correct? I haven't shared my screen.
Yeah, you
Uh,
stopped it just now.
Mm-hmm.
that was
Okay.
me.
Okay. Hello. What's now? Good out. हाँ कौन सी क्लास में
Okay. So what we want to do, we
मैं
need
एक
to
आधे घंटे में करूँगा आपको मैं क्लास में था अभी क्या
specs.
नाम है आपका
get this one.
कौशिक कौशिक ओके
Okay. Flipkart.
अंचल नॉट फ्लिपकार्ट आई वांट दैट एक्सप्रेस
Explore.
एक्सप्लोर प्लस या
Oh, Express Explore Plus.
Mm,
Both the thing you want or just a single?
oh anyone
It's
explorer
two
is a
different.
explore plus yeah anyone explorer plus
Okay.
or
Okay.
both
Okay.
explore. Okay, class. No fun.
With this class, we're gonna get both. Let me take this plus. It's easy.
Okay.
Control V. Then we get this dot. No, we can't get text like this.
Is text Cypress command or
Yeah.
jQuery command?
No, no, it's jQuery command. That's why it's not coming here. So for that, we need to use this dot then or something. Here. Now let is equals to PL dot text. And then cy dot log. Yeah. I don't know it's gonna work or not, but phone Flipkart jewelry. Yeah,
Oh, it worked.
here is the plus.
Correct?
Hmm.
Okay.
What is that log plus me? Plus.
Log is used to print anything on our test runner window, this window. If you want to print anything, we need to use this method or log, cy.log. Whatever you're going to write inside it is going to print here.
Okay. Anchal, and one more thing, you have used an in get one dot and other dot. Why you have used in both? This?
Because I got this plus. If I get the only one is going to get this, both the things. For the plus, I use this. If we remove this and run it,
Okay.
then it's going to get this whole
In
text.
half text, you will get it.
No, the complete thing. क्या था वो? Yeah, explore plus.
Okay.
Okay, so get the only plus. I use the because if you see the dome,
Mm-hmm.
it's two classes. For this plus, there is a separate class, this 2FVHG, and
Okay.
this class is having both the element, this explore and plus as well, because
That
this
is
is
the
student is a
parent.
child of this A. So
Okay.
yeah, okay,
Okay. Thank you.
done.
Okay. So show me the code, Anshul.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you write in another way?
Mm.
Like should have
To
text
get the text,
that time.
No. Should have text, Mangesh.
Yeah.
we can do
Can
like year dot.
okay, Anshul. This you write. Mangesh will explain you. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, Mangesh, tell me.
Yeah. Can I share my screen? Like I stuck there.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's very good.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I want that everyone should work. You
yeah.
know.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So here what I did is I'll show in the web page. So initially uh, I'll put this URL flipkart.com
Okay.
and it will go to this POCO 3 C31 and it will click on that. And
Okay.
I want to validate that this text POCO C31 Royal Blue 32 GB.
Okay.
So to assert like whether this text is present on this four elements, like we get
Okay.
four elements here. So in that four elements, I want to test only like check only this one C31 Royal Blue 32 GB.
Okay.
So for that, uh, I use like uh, up to here we are checking for the length.
Hmm.
We get four elements like that is passed, and
Hmm.
the last. Siva dot get, the second element should have text. This this text, like this is not. So
Okay.
suppose, so when I run this, I got error like, see this. To have text 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, expandable up to 512 GB. I'm just giving this text, but the text was add to compare Poco, like see. Even this one also it is taking add to compare. All these text.
So all the text is taking.
It is
Okay.
taking text. I just want the particular text, like suppose any text. Is this Poco C31 Royal Blue 32 GB or anything? Anything
Okay.
on this.
See, Magesh, before going to this, this why don't you try for a simple one, like as Anshul did, only take one single row or line, to get practiced.
Like you said this thing right yesterday. You want to,
Yesterday, yeah, yesterday the assignment was different. Just to click that one. Today is that
okay. After
grabbing the
click that
text.
thing, then it got passed, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Today just to click that particular,
Huh.
element. So today is what we are doing, to grabbing the text. Simple.
Yeah.
Just like this, I'm having this. I asked to grab explore plus, correct? So she did.
So
Simple.
yes, this also like grabbing text only, right?
Exactly. So don't don't take too much of paragraph and all. Take simple way. Otherwise you will be confused. What we are doing exactly.
Okay.
Start from scratch to basic one. No, I just want, like in the right side you have a become a seller. Uh, After login,
Huh.
take that,
Reseller.
grab
This.
that. Yeah, I want to grab that text. What do you do?
Okay. Then I.
What is the error you're getting? I didn't get that exactly.
The
Uh,
error is like the text is not match.
Yeah, it is taking complete text on that page.
okay, and what you write for that to get that single, I mean, small text?
Here I gave like it should
Hmm.
have text 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, expandable up to 512 GB. But it is
Should no, Mangesh, you're going wrong here. Should have text, no. Should includes is gonna be work here for you. Remove
okay.
that have text and just write include and run it again is gonna get pass.
Okay.
No, it have, we don't need have as well. Remove the have as well.
Okay.
Includes. That's it. I think it's gonna work because text is gonna be complete thing, and you're looking for a part of the text.
Exactly.
So it should include. Okay.
Okay. Can I run now?
Let it run first. We'll conclude.
Yeah, I will see.
Mm. Or contains or something is gonna be. I'm not sure. Let's see. No, hold on.
I think some
Go up.
mistakes are there.
No, read the error first. What it says. Go up. Go up. On the red part. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Timeout object tested must be an array of objects. Okay. Okay. EQ2. What's this exactly having that?
Like this one is 0, 2, 1, and 2.
Can you inspect? We will see after this class. Okay.
Sure.
Don't waste others'
Okay.
time. We'll
Okay.
see. Yeah. After this. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And Shakil, like if we want the text like this one here,
Hmm.
Yeah,
with
yeah, yeah.
zero,
I just want a
then,
simple,
then we
you
can
know,
follow the way. Even this thing will work, right? There, like
yeah.
uh,
You just remove this one. Like we are not interested in this thing. We do later on. I just
okay.
want to grab the text, basic. You just remove all that until Flipkart should be there. Flipkart.com. Remove all the indexes and all.
This fools.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Put your comment, whatever you want. Yeah. Now open the Flipkart. Now I would just want to grab any text, simple text, like Anshul did.
This
But yeah, become a seller or Flipkart, whatever the text you're getting in cart.
okay.
Okay, now I don't have patience. Say me the other way. In which direction you want to do?
Like you did, I don't want that one.
Okay, so in I mean,
You
give us
can
the
use your own
direction.
logic. You can use your own logic. Like if I give the hint, then everyone knows that what I'm saying. So you can try
Mm,
at your
No,
end.
in which manner? If you give a
Same,
task,
same.
and okay, so
Yeah,
you
you are
just
doing
want
correct.
to log this one, Flipkart. Okay.
Yeah, I just want to.
Anyone, Bharat or Rajalakshmi, got the answer? Please
No,
share it.
no, no, no. Shakil, you continue then.
yeah.
No, no, you try, Rajesh, you try. At least you try. Otherwise, tomorrow you will tell me I'm not getting problem here. You at least try. We have time. We'll solve up. Okay, this
Okay,
class.
just say one thing
Uh,
without resolving that promise. I mean, not then or stuff you want to take it, or
No, no, promise should be there. Without promise, how you can
promise should.
do?
Okay, yeah, okay, then fine. Okay, let me try one more thing. Hmm.
Bharat, can you do? You are doing Bharat?
Yeah, yeah, I'm practicing. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So, so without a should, we don't have, and only we use then.
Magesh is using should have text.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
We'll
good.
use
No,
it.
no worry, no worry, Magesh.
Where is the text?
Base filler, correct? Base filler.
Ah,
Where is that text? Click on back. Click
become a
on paste. Yeah.
will it work? Yeah, it works. Hello?
Yeah.
It worked,
Correct.
Shakil.
Okay. So you haven't used that then, correct? Promises.
Yes,
Without
sir.
promises, it works.
Yes, it worked.
Okay. This is another way. Correct.
Ah,
Show me the code. I didn't see. Show me the code.
this simple line.
Simple. Should have text
Just a
without.
second. It's an assertion. We need to print this value on a console.
Then cy dot log.
Log, but you're gonna log inside it. You need to log a variable which holds that value, isn't it?
Then we need to
Yeah.
give assign like a variable as we need to assign a variable and
So how you can do?
cy dot uh, should have text to become seller. Uh, okay. Dot to text or
Okay.
can convert like that.
Let's check.
Shakil, you tell the code then.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
guys. See.
almost 40 minutes done then.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's not.
Guys, can you able to see this simple code?
I did the same.
Then
I'll
logo.
share my screen. But
Okay.
you say another way.
Like another way in the sense like what you did, Anjali, you define a constant element, correct?
Mm, but your question is like that
Uh,
was if you're gonna open your requirement is exactly
Yeah,
like the same where you said you have to store the variable into a variable, isn't it?
correct. But I'm saying that
And you
using
are showing the way without it. So that's I already did this one. I thought you were gonna show something else.
no. I just want that without using any const, const element.
But in
Just
a requirement you
simple.
said there should be an what
Then
is
now
called
this
as
should be then.
variable.
Yeah,
No, no,
variable is
no.
there. No, logo.
Open the page. No, open the word page which you showed us before at the very beginning, where the question was. Yeah. So there you write a constant element equals to text. It means
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want us to create a constant variable. Then we need to log that variable, isn't it?
Correct. But
Yeah.
this,
So
yeah, but this case, why I'm telling you this one? When you do this code, now it will not run.
which will not run,
This one
but it already run. I show you.
without then.
Without then is not possible because text is the method of that jQuery script.
Yeah, exactly. This one is without
Yeah.
then, now. Then is not mentioned here.
Which show me show your code again.
see why not?
But yeah, we have to use then. There is no option because text is not
Yeah,
gonna work then. Yeah.
exactly. But this no this page which I have defined now, this one.
Uh,
I was telling that we cannot directly put text into the constant element. So
but yeah, for
yeah,
that we use then.
so yeah, I'm just comparing two things, using then and using without then. Got my point?
But you use then in your code.
Yeah, I'm used then because this will not run now.
Oh no no no. Okay. It means variable, not then. Without
Yeah, okay.
variable, yeah, that's why you're making me confused. Okay. Got your
Yeah.
point. Yeah. Yeah.
So what happened, that the text which I'm having now,
It
like
reduce, yeah.
yeah.
Got
So
your point.
instead of using let constant variable, I'm just putting variable here only this function.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just fetching that text from this function in two line only. If I run this
Yeah.
one now, my code is Java query cypress command now. So let me open this.
Yeah, it will work. Yeah.
Yeah, it will work.
Yeah, I thought you're gonna give some way without text. So I'm looking something have content or pata nahi kya kya.
No.
Okay, then fine. Yeah.
And then Anshul, what is that logo? Means
Which
just
logo?
Logo is a variable. It's a variable,
okay,
Rajalakshmi. Like
okay,
if
just
you
it's a
want,
variable.
just a variable. You can just put anything here.
Yeah. You
Uh,
can use whatever A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z inside that.
okay,
No
okay,
need to
got
write
it.
element only or EL only. Whatever you
Okay.
want to take.
What I thought is the assertion means we'll
No,
write some logo or something. So that's
no.
We are not using any assertion here.
Just
So it's kind of a variable, is it?
Yeah,
yeah,
it's a
yeah,
variable.
kind,
It's a variable.
Mm-hmm.
kind of.
And you are fetching the text from that variable.
Yeah.
okay.
And just printing that, just simple.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah.
So interesting or like boring? What do you say, guys?
Interesting.
Shakil, you
Everything
give
is
more
always
examples, Shakil, than
Before that,
uh,
थोड़ा concept clear करो, then we can able to follow. I see few
mm,
people, they already have good experience, so they can easily follow. And even I also confused what is the use of the logo until unless
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
this yeah.
Yes, so yes.
Some
okay. Shakil,
one syntax is enough. One syntax ऐसा होने वाला है,
yeah,
syntax बस
use
होगा.
always the element there, so nobody
Yeah.
get
mm,
confused.
Conclusion.
yeah,
Yes.
Just
yeah, true, true.
yeah, always
Yeah, yeah,
element, yeah, or
And
EL.
yes, yes.
So
EL
it's
true,
again.
true.
easy.
That's the
Mm.
basic one. EL dot text.
Okay, got it.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Shakil, like, can I get all the recordings from the starting, like, for this batch?
Yeah. I'll
Any,
share you the link. Yeah, Magesh.
okay.
Okay. Whatever the I'm
Like
having,
from the first class, right? From the first
yeah,
class we
from
have the recording.
yeah.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
share the link.
Okay.
So
Okay.
already we are. So any example you want to take today? For example, we have to cover this also, like how to handle this drop down, checkboxes, radio button, powering, okay, custom command, fixtures. So this one the basic we are covering, like promises and all. So let me check here. Any it isn't started yet. Okay, guys, this one you haven't done now. To grab this text.
I think mostly the test cases will be like grabbing the test, whether the test is correct or not.
Yeah,
The
exactly,
same.
exactly. Why? The reason is like we have to check the spelling of each and every text.
Huh.
Correct? Like we have suppose books here, so we have to check whether this book spelling is correct or not. Electronics, prime, this one. Guys, want to do any more example?
Yeah, go Shakil. Yeah, give
We can
more
check
examples.
all the columns like bestseller, today's deal, all are present or not. Can you check that?
Yeah, you can check that one also. This one now, all bestseller
All
today.
bestseller, today's deal.
Yeah, you can check it out. How you can check it? Tell me.
Like yesterday's class, you gave these names in array.
Array. Okay.
In
So like in each iterator we have three type. Like first one is element, second index, and third one is list.
huh.
Correct. So
Yes.
if you want to print more elements, correct, we use list. Got it?
Okay.
You have seen that one iterator.
Yes. I need to try that code. I saw that. Yeah. But
You are
that
present.
that that process will like it will work, right? Like yesterday's class code.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
code.
yeah. Yeah, that code is work now.
Huh.
So element. This one we have covered, Magesh.
Okay.
Yeah. And yesterday's code this one.
Huh. Until now, how many classes are completed? Like how many sessions? Around 10?
Around 10, 8 to 10.
Okay.
So guys, uh, see guys, in this website, can you see this fashion?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So do you think that there's only one fashion word is written here?
Sorry, do you think? What was that?
Do you think there is
No,
only
no,
one? How many like
no.
fraction text?
Not necessarily, might be, yeah, many.
Many,
Might be
yeah.
correct,
Mhm.
correct, might be many text written fashion. But like out of that many, I want to click this one only, and not indexes, not list, by using element only. What you do? What is your opinion about that one?
Yeah.
Taking only that part as a home class and
Amazon.in, huh? Oh,
So this is my class. This is my text. So suppose in this case, like if you see like this a fashion word is there, okay, which is common, and you think that this fashion word might be there in other places also,
Mhm.
okay. So
Mhm.
in that case, you just go to the parent class and using that find text, grab the text.
And inside the parent also, if we have more than two to three fashions, then we can use the iteration topic, the
Yeah, in
one
that,
element,
yeah, exactly. If you have
element,
more than 10 elements, then we can use iteration.
iteration.
Yeah, exactly.
but in my page this is present in the first,
Show me.
uh, like for you
First
to show
means
in the middle, right?
Amazon dot in. First means
Uh,
what?
like shop by suppose this shop in your page the shop by category is present in the second, right?
Yeah, in a second, correct.
But in my page it is showing the first place.
Yeah, but the parent cell will
That's
be the same, na?
yeah, yeah.
uh,
Parent
These
cell,
websites are so dynamic. It's gonna be different for everyone.
exactly.
Yeah, so don't worry about it. Just hit the parent and then find out inside that fashion. So
okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So guys, I'll share you this code for today's session.
Mhm.
So this is the homework. This fashion one is.
Yeah, you can do that homework also.
Okay.
Just click the second using that parent cell.
Hmm.
you give that code and again you give other homework also, Shakil, some other things.
Yeah, yeah.
You sharing the code? Which code? Oh, text
I'm
one.
sharing both text using promises.
What?
Media later.
Is it?
Ninth element. Okay.
What we are doing?
What you
I'm just sharing the code to you, guys.
okay. Oh, it's not getting shared. 1423.
So actually, you got the result. You're clicking, you're doing or not? That fashion one.
It's a homework you said.
Okay. Okay. So we'll do tomorrow then.
Mm-hmm.
Shakil,
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, Rajat.
uh, one more doubt for me.
Yeah.
Uh, Actually, I would like to share my screen to you.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Um. Uh, okay.
Shakil, I think the code is not properly aligned when it copy
Okay.
paste.
I'll share
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. Shakil.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have seen my code. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is nothing but in the Flipkart.
Hmm.
If I click on the travel, no, Shakil. If I click on the travel, and it has to go into the travel page.
Okay.
But if I click on the travel, why, means while it's coming some kind of login means something
Run
is
it,
getting
Raj
distracted.
Lakshmi.
Yeah, yeah. Shall you
Yeah.
can carry on then? Huh?
Mm.
Uh,
Show
Hello.
me. Can you run this
Run
code?
it, run it. Yeah. Then
See.
only anyone is gonna pay.
Okay. I think this is the wrong one or what? See. I think you have seen Shakil. I think while running,
Mm-hmm.
it's not clicking on that means see something is getting distracted means login is coming and hiding the travel.
Okay.
Yeah, in these kind of situations what we need to do then?
So in that case, can you write that one? Force true
uh
on the click.
We did.
we
It
did,
didn't
yeah.
work.
You also tried. I'm still
Yeah,
not
yeah,
getting.
And
Yeah, I tried this with her already.
can you properly?
Click force true to click that element because that login thing is hiding that travel stuff. So I thought force click is gonna work, but didn't work.
yeah,
Rajalakshmi, write
yeah,
the force click inside the line number 9
Hmm.
under
okay.
that click and then run it again.
Force click, yeah.
Yeah, sorry, force
Force,
true.
force
Force true,
Colon true.
colon true.
True. Yeah, that's
yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Run it. But still same error. It says the error was not generated by the Cypress, it was by
uh
the application. Because while clicking it manually on a travel, we're not getting that
Hmm.
window. And while automating, see that window
uh
is gone. Now it's get passed. Open
now,
that, open that. Now it's not there.
now it's not there but it came I think
It came, but you
uh,
know, I told you these websites
it's
are
not
so
going.
dynamic in nature.
Yeah.
So while clicking it, it appears and get disappeared. Just get
But
passed. That's why with us, once it's
mm,
passed, once it fails, you know,
yeah.
that's why these are just so dynamic in nature. That's the reason.
Correct.
Means now, if these kind of situations, if it comes, what we need to do then? If I
Rajalakshmi, open the second one as well. Before we are not able to see code on the second test, last
Okay.
line,
Yeah,
last
yeah,
line.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
see it's there or not. Yeah,
Yeah, here also the same thing,
see,
only it's not clicking on the electronics. It has to
yeah,
go onto the electronics page.
electronics page, but it's not going.
But here that login is distracting the travel one. But here in
Mhm.
electronics, nothing is distracting, but still it's not going into the not navigating into the other page.
Okay.
Because click operation is not getting performed, and I also don't
Yeah,
know why it's not getting performed.
yeah.
Maybe we need to
Okay.
use wait there, like word of wait.
Um,
No, no,
but it
waiting.
should fail with some
Mm,
error, but it's
mm,
not getting failed. That's the thing as well. Some silly thing we are missing, but what we don't know.
mm.
Can you explain that flow, like what you are?
You can also use that one, should be visible.
Which
Uh,
should be visible.
what, Shakil?
Like that page is not getting displayed now, so you can use should in the inside that G
Shakil,
dot.
this
Yeah,
this is the exact same code what we use for the
Mm,
jewelry stuff, isn't it?
Jewelry and
The
watch.
same
Yeah.
thing.
but
She want to try with the travel and electronic,
okay,
but
Mm.
okay, okay. And she want to grab that electronic word, correct?
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. It has to click that
Okay,
one and go into the other page of
yeah.
that electronic and then, yeah, in the
okay,
travel
no,
also.
okay, okay. So
Mm.
okay, got it. So Rajalakshmi getting expertise now in Cyprus,
No,
doing
no, just
code.
doing some kind of
Yeah,
experiment.
it's a very like I'm happy that you're doing so like this one. Even though it's like tricky, but yeah, you try it actually. See, right now
And
we are all
Anchal,
working, but you are not working now, so it's very difficult for you to do practice, without any.
yeah. But
Yeah,
Anchal helped me today. Yeah, it was
yeah,
really
yeah,
nice.
And no,
yeah.
we didn't get the solution, so no point here.
Do
Mhm.
we have any
Sorry.
group, like all the members group, WhatsApp group, or
That that the only one where we got the link for this.
You can you can remove me and make a group.
Time is there, buddy. Shakil, time is there. Uh,
Oh God.
It happened now in our class also in school.
yeah,
We have a WhatsApp group, but there is no teacher in that group.
Remove the teacher then.
even CR also will not be there?
with manager, without manager.
Without manager, yeah. There are lots of manager here. One, two, three.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, guys. Then,
And
so
then
one
let
second.
me know, Shakil, then whether we can different ways what we can do these kind of.
Rajalakshmi, I have a solution. Let's just
Oh,
use share this code with Shakil.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
He's gonna run his own, and he is able to figure it out. The solution, I
Sure,
think,
sure,
I
sure.
believe
Sure,
exactly.
sure, sure. You
okay,
can share
okay,
to me. Yeah. You can share to me and then. Okay.
okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sure.
Shakil, can you
Because it's
send
the
that
same
code
code, I'm
again
not
in
Yeah,
the
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm
box?
sharing. I'm sharing. I'm sharing.
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. So, like, Rajesh, what you want, like,
yeah.
when you click on that travel, so what login page is getting open now?
Yeah, Shakil. The page is opening. If means this page is opening, but if it has to click the travel also, and then it navigate to other page. Like this, we need to get it.
Yeah,
But
we need secure mode, correct?
mm.
Yeah.
But it's
But in
getting
auto,
distracted here itself
Yeah,
only. Some login button, something is coming over on the travel.
that
But
pop-up
this
window.
yeah, yeah, pop-up
That's
window is coming in travel,
yeah,
but in electronics, nothing is coming there.
still
But
not
still,
working.
it's not working.
okay, okay, okay. Something is like divert. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Mm.
Guys, one second. I'll share the second code, na, Magesh. This code, na.
Which one? Yeah, that text one.
Then one, na.
Fashion.
And Shakil, one more thing. Try to give more number of examples, Shakil, in the
No,
class.
no, I'm giving you a less number of, because right now you're just grabbing that concept. Once
Okay.
you expertise, and then I'll give you 100 of, examples. No worry.
Okay.
Yeah. See, Magesh, got it?
Uh, yeah,
Should
that
not
Telugu one
be-
describe.
Yeah, yeah, just Telugu we have tried for that. Even though when you use any language now, you content that click, it will click. Okay, then, guys, we'll meet tomorrow then.
Okay.
Mangesh, let's see your error. I have half an hour. So
Okay. Yeah.
if you want, because I didn't get the exact requirement what you want to do.
So,
Finish.
guys, can I leave?
Yeah, 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 yeah. We're just
Okay,
doing
then
some
we'll meet tomorrow then. Bye. Take
playing.
care.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Yeah. So, I'm the representative one, na, so is it
You
possible
can left. You just simply left. That's also fine, I think.
leave call, correct? Yeah.
Yeah, break. You leave it and you can.
Okay. Okay, just leave for the call. Okay.